Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel. This video this topic. What is cryptocurrency? A guide of the beginner. Cryptocurrency of crypto is a digital currency used as an alternative payment method or as an investment. Cryptocurrency get their name from the cryptographic techniques that enable people to buy, sell, or trade them salary seriously without the need for a central authority such as a government of the financial institution. A beginner guide of the cryptocurrency. A beginner guide to cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? A simple word of the cryptocurrency that it accepts the name of the originates from the fact that all the transactions are the highly making the exchange highly scarce. It is the in nature, unlike transnational currents, which are the managed and controlled by a central authority, a cryptocurrency is a finity in a number and a time equivalent to the precious metal like gold and silver. Cryptocurrency is a created thought mining, which is a process of a very complex problem being solved by a powerful computer. Usually, has a reward for making successful cryptocurrency transaction. In other words, the exchange of the cryptocurrency often result in more cryptocurrency being traded in the world. Many cryptocurrency use blockchain for mining and recording transaction. When multiply maintain indical transaction record, making the extremely scarce technology for your investment. The investor who do operate to, the blockchain technology and have specifically views about which aspect of it are they going to become major. In the year of the come, can invest in specific cryptocurrency that are the basis of those factors at simple power founder ASQI edition. The crypto market. The total worth of the cryptocurrency market as a May 2021 in is a whopping 1.7 trillion. There are over 10,000 licensed cryptocurrency at the time of the writing, and this number is only bound to increase. Out of Bitcoin has the largest share in term of the market, completing amounting to about the 650 billion of followed by Ether, 600 billion followed by Ether and trade. Or a sector of the cryptocurrency around the world has been on the increase for many years now. For example, when a major US online retailer, Overstock.com, started packed Bitcoin in 2014 and made one one lakh 24,000 Bitcoin sale on the first day of the itself. More competition are also recognizing the investment value of this digital sector. US based microstate INC uh, purchased more 1 billion of the Bitcoin in 2020. Bitcoin the game changer. Bitcoin imaginary has a gold rush of the opening when the world released problems with the extreme financial system after the 2008 crisis. It was the very first crypto developed thought blockchain and changed the way people thought about money. In 2013, Bitcoin recommended as the best investment by Forbes. Today, it has become a name. Has quoted the developed over 2,300 US business accepted Bitcoin as a model of the payment in late 2020, making it an attractive asset to hold for a common man. common man. Why invest Bitcoin? In addition to being highly scarce in nature, Bitcoin is also P2P, which means in it evolves on internally, such as a bank or credit card agents, and offer a mining transaction cost in a fast, fully transparent instead very Bitcoin transaction you make are recorded in a public ledger that is visible to all. It cannot be fraud. Blockchain transactions are also reversible, making the change of funding activities even similar and you investment much more secure. So you can trade Bitcoin through exchanges such as the Visible, which are the safe of the secure platform the investor. This video is the end. Thank for watching video and subscribe my channel.